Hi, my friend.
Hey, how are you?
How are you? I'm fine.
Great.
Wow, it's nice watch.
Yeah, it's really amazing smartwatch. This smartwatch is an Android version on the software, and then you have many functions here, as you can see. We have the contacts. You can do calls to your friends, and for me, of course, you can send message. You can go to the settings and change all the background. You can search on the browser. Downloads to more applications, the calendar, the clock, the camera, because this also has two cameras, one here and another here, two cameras, and then you can also see the photos from the camera. You can listen music with your earbuds. You can record sound because I also have the microphone and also the speaker. You can see the files, you can measure the heart rate, you can see some fitness sports. With the internet connection, this is a 4G smartwatch, you can check the weather, you can search by your voice, you can go to the Play Store to install more app, you can check the maps. You also have the assistance to connect the smartphone and your smartwatch. This is the barometer. Also have the system optimization and also the application store.
Wow, it's nice.
Yeah, really a lot of applications, as you can see, a lot.
Wow, very
And
nice.
have a nice background. I really love this one.